For almost 3 years, this keyboard has been there for me in gaming, making animation, and designing for clients, and many more. Although I suddenly felt an upgrade. Today, the package is finally here, the RK84. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing, overview, and share my reasons why I'm actually shifting from a membrane to a mechanical keyboard. So without further ado, let's roll the video. By the way, hello, my name is Fredo and you are watching Projectejing. Before we start this video, I would like to share this red button below that says subscribe. Please click that after the end of the video. This will support me on making more videos like this. So what we have here is the RK84, a 80% budget keyboard bought together with the brown switches. I'm not actually a pro when it comes to keyboards, but I heard a lot of great feedbacks about this product. Anyway, it has a 3750 mAh battery, a wireless capability, a multiple hot swappable switches, solid build that has an RGB with basic software. The packaging is very simple and it's just your standard box design. I wish they can make it more premium-like to complement with their product. It is not an issue, but it needs improvement. Inside the box, you'll get a 2-in-1 switch and keycap pullers, which will come in handy soon. A white USB-C cable, and an extra 4 switches, a user manual, a keyboard case. I think without this your keys will look like it's floating, and 2 magnetic feet. This cost me roughly 2,434 pesos or $48. I can't find any keyboards at this price range. With all the special features, I'm pretty sure you will all agree with me. Anyway, I also bought some extra grade keycaps to add extra spice to the look. Yes sir! The look and feel is super satisfying. Aesthetic is there and simple. Just right for me. Although I feel some imperfection on some of the keycaps, but still awesome. The RGB is bright enough and perfect for those who love playing effects. I honestly only use it for my workflow during the night. I love how they include the RF, Bluetooth, and wired connectivity. It gives me the freedom to choose. In order to use this, you have to turn on wirelessly, and there's a switch for RF or Bluetooth connectivity. But usually, I use it wired to avoid lags and delays when gaming. I also want to mention the extra 2 USB port at the right side. This option will let you plug any USB devices. The Outerframe is also good for customization in case you want to do some DIY in the future. The angle for me is just good without the magnetic fit. I like it as is. The typing experience was great. I had no problem at all. Here's a quick typing sound check for you guys. Now let's go with the reasons why I switched to the RK84. First, it has a multiple connectivity. Second, it has a 80% keys that provide more space for my workplace. Third is a budget-friendly keyboard. Fourth, it is great for beginners like me to learn the basics. And last, typing experience is great, very satisfying while working, although it is slightly louder, so try not to get the brown switches if you have a roommate. I hope this will help you decide to buy a new keyboard. This is just my personal preferences, and I would say go for your cup of tea. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase. In my opinion, the price is really hard to beat. Anyway, let's wrap up my video. If you have any suggestions or keyboard that you think that I will love, comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Help me be a better keyboard enthusiast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more weekly updates. And as always, have a good game everyone. See you next week.